All right, so if you go back to the control panel and go to Store, View Products.
Okay, so create new product, and then I put it under the category. I should probably do that, though, right?
Well, there's another option. You can copy an existing product. So if you have a number of products that are very similar, it makes loading your products much faster.
Okay.
Especially if you have different variations. So if you have a blue version and a yellow version, you shouldn't have to retype in the name of the product, the price, and all the other stuff.
Right.
You just copy the blue one, so you have a blue copy, and then you change the words to yellow, and now you have a yellow version of it. So let's go ahead and click Create New Product.
Okay.
Now, all products start with this very basic screen. So the first thing you're going to specify is which category it's going under. Then you're going to give the product a name. So if you want to have a generic product that's just called Bulkhead, that's fine. And then you want to give it a price. It's going to require that you put this information in this screen, and it doesn't necessarily have to display that information later. And you can even put
it have
$5
can we put words, or does it have to be?
It has to be a number. You can put words later. This screen just needs something.
Okay.
And it's going to need some kind of a weight, even if it's just 1 pound. And then you can save it. Now, once you hit save, it's going to take you on to the very detailed product page where you can configure everything and change stuff around. So let's go ahead and go to description on the top. And so this is where you can put a little caption about it, just a short little description. And then down below, you can add a much more detailed description. You can even include pictures there. And then you also have the ability to add tabs. Down below it says Add Tab. And that'll allow you to have multiple pages of information if you want to get really wordy about that product.
So when I'm on the product page and I click on Bulkhead, it'll have tabs like across the top where it can say like different sizes or different options or whatever, and people could go.
Yeah, there's a number of ways to do this. So I'm going to demonstrate some of those for you in just a moment. But right now, let's just put in a test caption at the top there.
So this would be like, okay, well, I'll
just so you can see how this all lays out. We can change it later.
Right.
And then click Save in the top right. And you see where it says public and private next to the save button? So it's currently set to private, which means the product is loaded, but it's not being displayed on your website. So we'll want to click public.
Okay.
And then let's save it again.
Okay.
So if you go back to products on the main website, and then again, we always have to reload the page. So now you should see under bulkheads, you see bulkhead. So now if you click that, now you can see the beginnings of that product page coming together there. So obviously we didn't load a picture. There's your little caption, but then below that, you can create all those tabs of information, paragraphs and paragraphs of information if you'd like.
Okay, that's going to be amazing. Okay. Well, I mean, it's not that we couldn't before, but like I said, it was really complicated.